Want to send a personalized WhatsApp message to every lead instantly, right after your AI agent finishes a call. In this guide, I'll show you how to automate it using Awaz WATI and Zapier, step by step. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to connect your Awaz AI calls to WhatsApp using Wati's business API with Zapier as the automation bridge. No coding needed. Once it's set up, every AI call can trigger a WhatsApp message, completely hands-free. Here's what you'll learn in this video, step by step: how to set up your Wati API key to connect with Zapier, how to create a WhatsApp message template inside Wati, how to pass call data from Awaz AI to Zapier, how to personalize WhatsApp messages using lead info from the call, and finally, how to trigger that message automatically right after the AI call ends. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need to follow along and make this work smoothly. An Awaz AI account with an active AI agent. A Wati account is connected to your WhatsApp business number. At least one approved WhatsApp message template inside Wati. A phone number with WhatsApp to verify message delivery. And your Wati API key, which we'll grab in just a minute. Let's begin by connecting your Wati account to Zapier. First, log into your Wati dashboard. From the top menu, click API Docs. Here, you'll find everything you need to authorize the connection, including your access token and API endpoint. These are unique to your WhatsApp business account. Click the green copy button next to each. We'll use both in the next step. Now, head over to Zapier and start creating a new Zap. For the action step, search for Wati and select it as the app. When Zapier asks you to connect your Wati account, it will prompt you to enter two things: your API key and your endpoint URL, both of which you copied earlier from the Wati dashboard. Paste them into the fields, then click Yes, Continue to Wati. That's it. Your Wati account is now securely connected to Zapier and ready to send WhatsApp messages automatically. Next, let's create the actual WhatsApp message that your lead will receive. In your Wati dashboard, click on Broadcasts, then select Template Messages and click Create New Template. Give your template a clear, easy-to-remember name. Now write out your message. You can use dynamic placeholders like name or city to personalize the message based on what the lead shared during the AI call. Once you're happy with the message, go ahead and submit the template for approval. Wati will show the status as approved once it's ready to use, and only then can it be triggered in a live automation. Now that your Wati account is successfully connected to Zapier, let's build out the full automation. This is where the real magic happens. Start by selecting Awaz AI as the trigger app in Zapier. Then choose the trigger event. New call. This ensures the automation will run each time a call is completed in your account. Connect your Awaz AI account, and Zapier will pull in the most recent call records for testing. These include key data, like lead's full name, contact phone number, call status or outcome, complete call summary. This information will help personalize your WhatsApp message. You can apply filters based on specific AI agents or call outcomes. For example, if you only want this message sent after successful conversations handled by Mouni, you can filter by that agent's name or by choosing call status as the outcome. This ensures WhatsApp messages are sent only to serious or qualified leads, avoiding unnecessary follow-ups for unqualified ones. To make your WhatsApp messages feel truly personalized, we're going to pull real insights directly from the AI call, like the lead's location or the type of property they're interested in, and use that to send a message that actually feels relevant. This is made possible by combining custom fields in Awaz, after-call variables, and a Zapier automation that connects everything to Wati. First, create custom fields in Awaz. Before you can pass any custom data like location or property type into a WhatsApp message, you need to create fields in Awaz where that data will be stored. Head to the Settings tab in your Awaz dashboard and click Custom Fields. Then click Add Field and create fields like lead location, property type, follow-up call, and etc. based on your use case. Set the field type as text for each. Once you create these fields, they act as placeholders where the extracted data can be saved. Awaz then automatically recognizes them and lists them as default variables under your agent settings. You'll now see these appear under AI Agents Variables tab, ready to hold dynamic data extracted during the call. Next, set up after-call variables. Now that we've created the fields where the data will be stored, we need to tell the AI what to extract during the call. Go to your AI agent, open the Variables tab, and under After Call Variables, click Add. In this demo, we've added variables like lead location to capture location preferences mentioned by the lead, property type to capture the type of property they're interested in, like 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom, follow-up call to check whether they want to speak to a human agent. These variables act as extraction prompts, instructing the AI to listen for and pull specific details from the conversation. Once captured, these values are sent to Zapier, but they still need to be linked to the correct custom fields you created earlier. For example, the value from the lead location gets stored in contact.leadLocation. Property type gets stored in contact.propertyType. This connection is handled in the next step. You can find this custom variable information available on the test records retrieved from your recent call if you scroll down to the bottom. Now add or update the contact in Zapier. Inside Zapier, once your trigger is set to New Call in Awaz, add a new action right after it. Search for the Awaz AI app again and choose Add or Update Contact. Then map the fields as follows. Name, from contact name. Phone, from contact phone contact. Lead location, from the extracted variable lead location. Contact.property. Type, from the extracted variable property type. This step updates the contact profile in Awaz with the latest information captured during the call. And that's key, because this enriched contact data is exactly what gets passed into your WATI message in the next and final step. Now that your contact has been updated in Awaz, it's time to send a WhatsApp message using WATI. In Zapier, choose Send Template Message as the action event and connect your WATI account. This step allows Zapier to trigger your pre-approved WhatsApp templates through your WATI Business API. Now you'll map the key fields. WhatsApp number. Use the phone number pulled from the Awaz call. Template name. Choose one of your approved WhatsApp templates inside WATI. Broadcast name. Just a label to help you identify the message. You can use the lead's name or the campaign. Here's where custom params become crucial. Click on Custom Params and make sure to pull in values from the Add or Update Contact step, not from the original trigger. Why? Because that step is where all your extracted call variables are mapped into the contact's custom fields, like contact.leadLocation or contact.propertyType. That's the clean, structured data Zapier can reliably pass to WATI. Now, inside WATI, your WhatsApp message template would include dynamic placeholders like this. These are the fields that will be automatically filled with real data from your AI call. You must create these placeholder names in WATI exactly like this, lowercase, without underscores, dots, or spaces, to ensure they work properly. Scroll below and type out sample content for each placeholder when sent to the lead. Scroll down to the Custom Params section. This is where we connect the dots. To pass the actual data into WATI, we map these placeholders using Zapier, and we do this using the Add or Update Contact step, not the original trigger step, because that's where all the AI after-call extracted values are stored cleanly. Here's how your custom params section should be formatted. Notice the format. Each line is the WATI placeholder name, followed by a semicolon, a space, and then the mapped value from the contact object. This ensures that the WhatsApp message the lead receives is fully personalized, pulling real insights from your AI voice agent and sending follow-ups that actually feel human. Here's a demo call on how our real estate agent, Mouni, handles a lead call and initiates sending details over WhatsApp.
Hi, Drisha, this is Mouni calling from Apex Realty. I saw you just filled out your info on our site while browsing homes in Phoenix. Is now a good time to chat real quick?
Yeah, sure. I did fill out a form a few minutes ago and we came across your website on one of the Facebook ads.
Awesome. Thanks for letting me know. So are you looking to buy your very first home or are you relocating to Phoenix?
We're trying to relocate to the Phoenix area and possibly look for like 3-bedroom properties.
Got it, relocating and looking for a 3-bedroom place. Do you have a specific neighborhood in mind, like Chandler or maybe Ahwatukee, or are you still exploring?
We were hoping if you have some properties in the downtown Phoenix area.
Absolutely. Downtown Phoenix has some great options for 3 bedrooms. What kind of price range are you hoping to stay within, roughly?
We haven't decided on the budget yet. We're just exploring and browsing through the properties right now. That's it.
Totally normal. Lots of folks start that way. Would you like some sample listings and a quick Phoenix area guide sent to your WhatsApp just to browse at your own pace?
Yeah, that would be really helpful. You can send it over.
Perfect. I'll send you some listings and a Phoenix guide on WhatsApp. Would you be open to a casual chat with one of our agents next week just to answer any questions? No pressure, totally optional.
No, that's fine. You can just send me over the details and we can take it from there.
You got it. I'll send everything over on WhatsApp for you to review. If you have any questions later, just reach out anytime. Thanks for chatting, Drisha.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your help.
Of course. Happy house hunting, Drisha. Have a great day.
Ready to test out this automation flow with your agent? Start your free trial at Awaz AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Need help? Check out our help center for step-by-step guides or chat with our support team anytime. We're always here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.